In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your child as a dependent in TurboTax. Adding your child correctly can help you qualify for valuable tax benefits, including the child tax credit. So let's walk through the process clearly and carefully. Start by logging in to your TurboTax account. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and select My Info. This is where TurboTax keeps your personal and family details. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Who do you support? And choose the option that says My Child. This choice applies to a biological child, an adopted child, a foster child placed by an authorized agency, or a stepchild. If you're trying to add someone else, like a parent, another relative, or a non-family dependent, you'll want to pick another person instead. Choosing the right category helps TurboTax apply the correct rules and credits. Next, enter your child's details. You'll be asked for their full legal name as it appears on official documents, their birth date, your relationship to them, and their social security number. Take a moment to double-check spelling and numbers. The social security number is especially important. It must match what the Social Security Administration has on file to avoid delays or rejected returns. Once everything looks right, click Continue. TurboTax will then ask a series of qualification questions. Answer carefully about residency, financial support, and age. For residency, indicate whether your child lived with you during the year. For financial support, confirm whether you provided the majority of their support. For age, provide accurate information so TurboTax can determine eligibility for the child tax credit and any other dependent-related benefits. These questions help TurboTax verify that your child meets the IRS requirements, so honesty and precision here make a big difference. Click Continue to move on. You'll see a review screen summarizing the information you entered. Take a final look to ensure everything is accurate. If something needs correction, this is a good time to fix it. When you're satisfied, click Continue to save your entries. At this point, your child is added as a dependent, and TurboTax will apply the rules and credits that match your situation. As a quick example, the flow is simple. Select My Child, enter the child's details, and continue through the questions. Remember, you should choose My Child only for biological, adopted, foster, or stepchildren. Use another person for parents, relatives, or non-family dependents. And you can only claim a child if they live with you and you support them financially. That's it. Your dependent is added and ready for tax benefits.